We're here at the Lowbake stand, back for the Collision Repair Expo for 2024, talking all things spray booth, demonstrating our new hardware and equipment, as well as the latest in data and dashboards for our spray booths. Come see the guys at Lowbake at stand AC28. We've got our Lowbake portable spray booth here at the CRE 24, where we give some of our exhibitors the ability to demonstrate live on site their products and their paints, etc. We've got the legend, the Lowbake legend, Mr. Rob Green, currently in there doing a demonstration about UV-IR technology and the equipment, the speed of the equipment and what you can do to streamline your repair process. So if we have a bit of a look, Rob's got, he's been mic'd up. This has been streamed straight back into the Lowbake demonstration theatre, viewing theatre inside. So we're doing live demonstrations